Hello. In this video I show a trick from Sinis to fake emissive material, to fake lights. Okay. On the Discord server, Sinis posted a trick from the settings of this. And okay, let's go to Nomad Sculpt. It looks like this. And in this scene, there's no light. I turn on the light and I turn off the light. And there's no environment. In the post-processing settings, there is also no bloom effect active like this. Okay, let's do it. I press a few undo steps. I go back. No, too much. Let's start at this point. I created shapes, and in the material settings I painted them blue. Set it to additive and always unlit. This is the important setting, and then it looks like this. And in the post-processing, now I turn off the environment. Now it's a dark scene and no lights active. Okay. And in the post-processing, activate the post-processing and here with the tolerance you can play SSGI activated. This is an important step. Okay. And you can play with the color of the light. When it's blue, it's like this, and white like this. I tested the roughness and the metalness. I don't know if it affects the whole thing. And this is how it looks like. Okay, again, without global illumination and with the tolerance you can affect the shadows or the rest of the scene. You can bring in lights also, but yes. For the people who wants to use it, they know what they have to do. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.